In 2025, something entered our solar system. It wasn't a comet. It wasn't an asteroid. It came from another star. They might not even come themselves. In theory, they'd send self-copying probes, machines that build more machines at every star. A Harvard scientist said it out loud. What if it's not a rock, but a probe, moving at 250,000 kilometers an hour? It turned out to be a comet, this time. But it forces the real question. What happens the day one of them isn't? First, understand what's coming. Any civilization that crosses the stars isn't a little ahead of us. It's potentially millions of years ahead. Scientists rank civilizations by power. We're a type 0.7. We can't even use our whole planet's energy yet. A type 2 civilization could wrap an entire star for energy. A type 3? Harness a whole galaxy. That could be them. We'd probably see them first as heat. Every engine leaks it. We'd spot the warmth of their ship before we saw the ship. We already scan these objects for signals. When 3I Atlas passed, the world's biggest radio telescope listened hard. It heard nothing. A real craft wouldn't sneak. Crossing light years takes staggering energy. Arriving here, it would glow bright enough to see by day. But if they did arrive in person, the sky itself would change. One object, bigger than a city, holding position over the planet. Now the question that matters most. Are they here to study us? Or are we the ones desperate to understand them? To them, we might be an anthill they pause to watch. Fascinating, primitive, harmless. Worth a look, not a conversation. Their technology wouldn't look like technology. As one writer put it, any advanced enough tech is indistinguishable from magic. How would we even talk? No shared words. The answer both sides would reach for is the only universal language: math. But Stephen Hawking gave a warning. When Columbus reached the Americas, it didn't end well for the people already there. There's a chilling theory. The universe is a dark forest. Everyone's hiding, because whoever speaks first gets hunted. So who handles first contact? Here's the shock. There is no official plan, no president, no army, no button to press. Scientists do have rules. Verify first, tell everyone, and send no reply until the whole planet agrees. Good luck with that. And who speaks for Earth? No one agreed on that. 8 billion people, 200 nations, and one voice needed. Could we fight? Against something millions of years ahead, our weapons would be spears thrown at a passing jet. The bigger collapse would be down here. Religions, economies, borders. Every story we tell ourselves, rewritten overnight. Or the opposite happens. For the first time ever, there's no us versus them on Earth. There's just humans. But here's what haunts scientists. The galaxy has 400 billion stars, billions of Earths. So where is everybody? One answer is terrifying. Maybe civilizations always destroy themselves before they reach the stars. Maybe that filter is ahead of us. Or the good answer. They're out there, and they made it through. Proof that a civilization can survive its own childhood. And here's the twist. We already sent messages. Our radio's been leaking into space for 100 years. They may already know. So maybe the real question was never if they'll find us. It's whether we'll be ready when they finally do. So tell me, if a ship appeared tomorrow, do we say hello? Or do we go silent and hide? Tell me below. And follow Rewriting Reality, where we make the impossible make sense, one strange question at a time.